Oh my God. Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elmarie. Guys, it's a beautiful Sunday morning and I will be preparing for my family some cow foot with broad bean. That's curry cow foot with broad bean. Guys, I notice I am getting a lot of love on my channel. Thank you very much for all the new subscribers, and thanks for everyone that come back on a weekly basis to watch my video. I do appreciate it. Take nothing for granted. I just want to say thank you very much. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is my cow foot. I'm gonna clean it now. I bought this cow foot, like all of this, from Gems in Brampton at Queen and Kennedy. They are situated. It's for $26.39. Not bad, and it's a very nice one. It's big. So I am gonna clean the cow foot now. I'll be using a dinner knife just to scrape it. And the brownness on it, it's really because it's burnt cow foot. I prefer the burn one. So just scraping off a bit of the burn spot. I'll just use some lime juice to give it a wash. So now I will just season the cow foot right here. So this is some Easy Spice meat seasoning, and I'll use some Irie all-purpose seasoning. This is garlic salt. And I'll put some garlic. When I'm cooking, guys, I love to use a lot of garlic and ginger. In Jamaica, every sickness, go drink some garlic. Back pain, go drink some garlic. So now I will burn some curry. When I burn the curry, I just put the pimento grain in. Just cracking the grain a little bit. And then I will go in with the cow foot. I'm doing this just to have the curry spread evenly over all the parts. Now that I burned the curry, burned the cow foot in the curry, I will transfer the meat to the Instapot because I want it to cook faster. So this is just like a pressure cooker. I will use hot water so that the cooking process won't stop. It will continue cooking when I use the hot water instead of using the cold water. So first I want the ingredients from here. I'll pour it in my pot first. And then here. I'm setting the timer here, so for the cow foot I'm gonna give it about 50 minutes. So while that is cooking in the Instapot there, I will start doing the rice and peas. Today I will be cooking gungo rice and peas. So it's called pigeon peas here. This is the dry one, that's the reason why it looks brown. And of course I'm using the Grace product because I prefer Grace brand. So I'm using the Grace pigeon peas or gungo peas. For me, I always drain the water from these stuff because it have too much preservative to have a shelf life. So guys, I'm using the coconut cream today, and this is also Grace coconut cream, very rich. And I'll just use all of this. So this is cream, so I just add it to the pot just like this. Another way in which you could do this is to add some, to dissolve it in boiling water, but what's the point? This is boiling water as well. So I'll just beat these. Cut it up for the rice and peas. Add some garlic. So now I will add some butter, just a spoon of butter, guys. And also to my rice and peas, I will add nutmeg. So today I don't have my nutmeg, so I'll use nutmeg powder, just as effective. Not much, just a little bit. The milk is all melted in the pot, so I'm giving it a boil now, so I'll take it more down to custard. You can see how oily it looks. That is the coconut cream. So guys, I'm washing the rice now, and I'm using brown rice. See how nicely this looks? This is all coming down to custard. Very nice. So now I'll add the rice. Now I will bring this to a boil. As soon as the rice starts boiling, I would reduce my flame and turn it down. On my stove here, I will turn it down to 1 or 2 and still have the cooking process going on. I am going to be using the lettuce here, but I'll put the lettuce in some ice water. This way I will keep the crunchiness of the lettuce while I continue prepping the rest. Keep this all crunchy. So we have 45 minutes to go on the power pot. Let me check the rice pot. Okay. now guys, I will just check the cow foot here. Looks good. And yes, it's cooked. So now I will just transfer to the pot just to put my other seasoning and flavoring. Okay, nice and jelly looking. Wow. So I'll now just chop all of these and add it to the pot. And also, anything I cook, I try to add ginger. Ginger is good for your stomach. So now I will just the gravy is thick and nice. Okay, awesome. Then I will add my beans. This is broad bean, and it's Grace broad bean. So now guys, I will just check my rice pot. This one is maybe another 10 minutes to go. So now I'll check the rice. All done. All shelly and nice. All done. Now I'm gonna be plating. There you have it guys, all done. A nice meal of cow foot and some gungo rice and peas. Guys, thank you all for watching. Please remember, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Oh my God.